Hello everyone, Michelle Harvey here, also known as Hippie Oil Chick with Happily Oily After. And I'm super excited to tell you that I got a box of freebies in today. Well, some things were free and some things I paid for. So, first of all, let me go ahead and talk about einkorn. You might be saying to yourself, what the hee-haw is einkorn? Well, einkorn is an ancient grain. I've been waiting for the flour to come back in stock. The flour's out of stock, but I got the pancake and waffle mix. And the Einkorn Wheat it's an ancient grain, so it has, I want to say like 14 chromosomes as opposed to like 42 or 48 that modernized GMO wheat has now. So the wheat looks completely different. I don't know a whole bunch about the anatomy of the wheat plant, but I know that I've seen two different pictures and it's completely different now. So that is a lot to explain for people's intolerances with gluten and wheat. Not talking celiacs. So this particular einkorn is an ancient grain that is has the original 14 chromosomes from way back when they first started growing it. So it's just been unmodified. And so I have the pancake and waffle mix. So that's actually going to be good for me because I have been craving pancakes this third trimester for some reason. And it's not really good for me to be eating them. It's not good for my blood glucose levels, and it's not good, with all of the additives and preservatives and crap that's in it. So I have actually eaten this before. It's really good. We ate it when Alexis lived here. She called them Jesus pancakes because of the ancient grain. I don't know why she called them Jesus pancakes, but I'm excited to have it back. So there's that. I also have an army of our new Einkorn Flakes cereal. Okay, another weird thing. I'm normally not a cereal fan. I can't remember the last time I've eaten cereal. But I was craving cereal too. And we went to convention and they came out with cereal, which is excellent because I had gone to H-E-B and I was reading the backs of the cereal boxes trying to find something that was tasty but that didn't have a whole bunch of crap ingredients in it, and I could not find anything. Those cereals are pumped full of sugar. They have they just have all these unpronounceable ingredient names, artificial dyes. I mean, you name it. It's disgusting. So we went ahead and stocked up on 4 boxes because we waited forever for them to come in stock. And so now that they are, I wanted to make sure that I had plenty to last me. Here's the ingredients of the Einkorn Flakes cereal. Organic whole grain einkorn flour, which remember has the 14 chromosomes versus the 42 or 48. Organic coconut sugar, so that's how it's sweetened. Okay, so it's not sweetened with sugar, high fructose corn syrup, or anything like that. Organic coconut sugar, oat bran, salt, and vitamin E. Okay, so this is a wheat product, but it is a einkorn wheat, so a lot of people can tolerate this really well. Now, I've had this cereal and it is tasty. It's just, to me, the right amount of sweet for me to kind of get that fix, but not so sweet that it's I gotta brush my teeth. So I'm very excited to have 4 boxes of that. If you're at my house and you want to try it, I have some almond milk. We can have a bowl together. Okay, now for a couple of free oils that I want to go ahead and mention. So I've run out of both of these oils, and I redeemed points on them to get them for free. First one, rosemary. Okay, I don't know how I let us run out of rosemary. Maybe because Eric uses it in his shampoo because it supports hair growth. It's also really good at facilitating and helping to encourage memory. So it's great to put in your diffuser for a cognitive pick-me-up. It smells incredible. A lot of people will cook with the Vitality version of the rosemary. It's just a fantastic oil, very perky, very uplifting, very potent. So this 15 ml bottle is going to last me quite a while. And then I saved the best for last, free Helichrysum. Guys, this is a big deal. This is why I'm on Essential Rewards, because this little bottle, don't freak out if you're not a Young Living member when I tell you how much it is. It's like $85. That's because Helichrysum is like a miracle oil. It's known as immortel. This stuff is the bomb.com. Helichrysum, oh my gosh. It's just, there's so many body systems that it supports, but really, I use it for healthy looking skin and all sorts of different ways on my skin. So when I got this piercing right here, it was really painful, and just the healing process was difficult. So I used a lot of Helichrysum on that. I know Eric has used Helichrysum on his hand when he wounded it. You know, a lot of people have made blends with Helichrysum that they apply topically to their skin. That's probably the best use I found for it. I do not ingest this one, not because you can't, but because I prefer it topically. And I don't diffuse it, even though I like the smell of it, only because it's just a beast oil for topical use. So $85 oil for free. That's why I'm on Essential Rewards, because I'm going to be buying this stuff anyway from Young Living, my Nisha, my supplements, my oils that I run out of, and so they reward me with points. And when those points stack up, which they do every month for me, then I can pick and choose what I want. And so this month it was these two oils. Next month, I don't know what it'll be. You'll have to tune in to my video next month to find out. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are interested in trying any of our Einkorn products, get on your Essential Rewards and order some. If you're not a member and you would like to be, please join under me. My number is 215-3009. I would be happy to help you and happy to have you in my Happily Oily After tribe. Anyway, I will be coming back with you. Probably another Michelle's Top 5 video will be coming soon. So I appreciate you guys being patient on that. Have a great afternoon, and I will see you guys soon.